Hello everyone, welcome to Mugdad Studio. So this is Preeti Singh Rajput back again, and this time I'm going to show you some beautiful Georgian Banarsi sarees. And Chustunar Kada wearing a beautiful yellow color Georgian Banarsi saree here. And you can see the golden zari work, mango motifs all over the saree. You have silver zari work as well. And this is how the pallu looks like. You have beautiful tassels and you have a lace border as well. So this is how the saree is. Let me show you some more beautiful Georgian Banarsi sarees. So this is in grey color. So this is a grey color Georgian Banarsi saree here, and you can see beautiful silver zari work and floral motifs here, and we have got beautiful resham work as well. And we have a small border. You have a geometrical design here on the border made of pure silver zari. And this is how the pallu looks like. And coming to the blouse, you have a plain grey color blouse. Manaki ikkada border kuda ochindi. Silver zari work lo. And the price for this one is 8,999. So let me show you the next one. This is a beautiful light peach color. And you have a beautiful silver zari work all over the saree, made of pure golden zari work here, floral motifs ochindi, and you have a geometrical design on the border. Made of pure golden zari work, and this is how the pallu is. And blouse వచ్చేసి peach color lo ochindi. You have a small border. And coming to the price, this is 8,999. Next saree chuddam. So this is in sea green color. And you have a silver color zari work. Leaf motif lo ochindi. And you have a beautiful border here, geometrical design ochindi, pure silver zari work. And coming to the pallu, this is how the pallu is. And blouse ochesi blue color lo ochindi. So you have a border on it, made of silver zari work, and the price for this one is 7,999. So next saree chuddam. So this is in light peach color, and you have beautiful silver zari work all over the saree here. You have this mango motifs, and you have a similar border on both the sides. Silver zari work ochindi border lo. You have this geometrical design here, and this is how the pallu is. So this is how the blouse is with the border on it. And coming to the price, this is 7,999. Next color chuddam. So this is beautiful yellow color saree here. So these are pure Georgian Banarsi sarees what I'm showing you. And you have a beautiful silver zari work here. Beautiful flower motifs lo ochindi all over the saree. So these are really shining beautifully. And coming to the border, you have a self border but silver color zari work on it. And this is how the pallu looks like. And coming to the blouse, yellow color lo chindi, you have a small border. And the price for this one is 7,999. So quickly take a screenshot of your favorite sari and do WhatsApp us on this WhatsApp number mentioned here. And we have mentioned the Google Pay number as well for making the payment online. So let me quickly show you some more saris, which is like Georgette Banasi saris. So this is in green color, so bottle green color sari here. And ikkada chustunaru kada, we have a beautiful diamond motifs. And inside these fillings we have small floral motifs made of pure golden zari work. And it's a beautiful bottle green color with a self border. And border lo kuda meeku golden zari work ochindi. And you have a lace border as well. Red color lo edge ochindi. And this is how the pallu is. There are beautiful maroon color tassels on the pallu. And blouse ochesi green color lo ochindi with a lace on the edge. And the price for this saree is 7,999. So similar pattern saree I'm going to show you in another color. So red color lo ochindi. This is chocolate brown color basically. And similar pattern here. So the work is made of pure golden zari all over the saree here. And you have a peach color border for this, contrast border. And coming to the pallu, so this is how the pallu is. And coming to the blouse, so peach color blouse ochindi with the stripe motifs made of pure golden zari. And the price for this one is 10,999. Next saree chuddam. So similar pattern lo blue color lo ochindi. So similar pattern chudandi, gold zari work lo all over the saree ochindi, floral motifs ochindi ikkada. So this is a navy blue color, self border. You have a lace work here. And this is how the pallu is. Grey color lo tassels ochindi. And coming to the blouse, you have a navy blue color blouse with a lace border on it. So this is how the blouse is. And the price for this one is 7,999. And a similar kind of saree in red color. So this is in pink color, maroon color actually. Dark maroon color lo ochindi. Similar golden zari work ochindi chudandi. And you have a self border. Ikkada meeku lace work kuda ochindi golden lo. Grey color edge ochindi saree lo. And this is how the pallu is. You have these beautiful grey color tassels on it. And coming to the blouse, you have this blouse with a grey color edge on it. And coming to the price, this saree is 7,999. So let me show you the next one. So this is in black color, Georgette Banarsi saree. And we have beautiful golden zari work all over the saree here, floral motifs lo ochindi. And we have beautiful self border. Again we can see beautiful diamond motifs on it, floral motifs on it, made of pure golden zari work. And this is how the pallu is. And coming to the blouse part, so we have a plain black color blouse. And the price for this one is 8,999. So please take a screenshot of your favorite sari and send it to us on this WhatsApp number mentioned here. So these are the numbers you need to contact us for placing the orders, and our sales team will assist you further for processing your orders. And we have mentioned the Google Pay number for making the payment online. So please make a note of these details. And let me show you some more beautiful Georgette Banarsi sarees now. So the next one is in light peach color. And you have a beautiful golden zari work here, floral motifs. So these are big floral motifs all over the sari. And you have a self border with beautiful golden zari work, diamond motifs low. And coming to the blouse, pallu part, this is how the pallu is. And coming to the blouse, this is how the blouse is. And the price for this one is 7,999. So let me show you the next one. So this is in maroon color. And we have copper zari work in this. Floral motifs lo vachindi. And we have a beautiful border, self border lo vachindi with a beautiful copper zari work. And this is the pallu part. And blouse vachesi we have a pink color blouse here with a beautiful border. And the price for this one is 7,999. So let me show you the next one. So this is in cream color.
When you guys take pictures.
So meeku cream color lo vachindi ikkada. And you have a beautiful golden zari work floral motifs. You can see the shine on the sari. And you have a beautiful contrast red color border. You have a contrast red color border, and you can see the handwork on the border here.
The generation is gone straight.
And if I'll show you the pallu. And coming to the blouse, we have a contrast red color blouse here with a beautiful lace border on it. And the price for this one is 8,999. So let me show you the next one, which is the beautiful Georgette Banarsi again in a very beautiful yellow color. So it is pale yellow color Georgette Banarsi sari. And we have these beautiful rose gold color zari work. If you see the details, you have beautiful tree motif here, floral motif here, and you have leaf motifs as well. And you have a self border for this sari. You have a golden lace work as well. And coming to the pallu, this is how the pallu is, and you have beautiful tassels on it. And blouse vachesi. This is how the blouse is. And coming to the price, this is 10,999. So I'm going to show you the similar Georgette Banarsi sari in a light sea green color. And look at the details of the sari here. We have beautiful golden zari work with floral motifs. And you have a self border. You have this lace work, golden lace work as well. And golden zari work on the border. And this is how the pallu is. And you have beautiful tassels on it. And coming to the blouse, you have this sea green color blouse with a small border. And the price for this one is 10,999. So మీకు ఏ సారీ నచ్చిందో quickly take a screenshot and do WhatsApp us on this WhatsApp number. My sales team will assist you further for assisting the orders, for processing the orders, and we have mentioned the Google Pay number as well. So let me show you some more Georgette Banasi sarees what we have now. So this is in beautiful grey color. So dark grey color anamata. And మొత్తం సారీలో మీకు గోల్డెన్ జరీ వర్క్ వచ్చింది చూడండి, ఫ్లోరల్ మోటివ్స్లో. అండ్ మీకు వచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ హ్యాండ్ మేడ్ వర్క్ బార్డర్ వచ్చింది. And this is how the pallu is. You have these beautiful golden tassels on it. And coming to the blouse, we have this is the blouse, grey color lo meeku. You have a hand work on the border. And the price for this one is 9,500. So let me show you the next saree now. So this is in dark navy blue color. And you can see we have beautiful golden zari work all over the saree with beautiful floral motifs on it. And మనకి ఇక్కడ కాంట్రాస్ట్ రెడ్ కలర్ లో బార్డర్ వచ్చింది. And ఇక్కడ హ్యాండ్ వర్క్ వచ్చింది on the border. And this is how the pallu is. And మనకి బ్లౌజ్ వచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ కాంట్రాస్ట్ రెడ్ కలర్ వచ్చింది. And we have a small lace work on the bottom. And the price for this one is 8,999. So let me show you the next one. So this is a beautiful light pink color. And we have a beautiful golden zari work here. And ఇక్కడ మనకి ఆరెంజ్ కలర్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ బార్డర్ వచ్చింది. అండ్ ఇక్కడ డార్క్ పింక్ కలర్ లో ఎడ్జ్ వచ్చింది. అండ్ యూ ఆల్సో హ్యావ్ అ గోల్డెన్ వర్క్ ఆన్ ది ఎడ్జెస్. So this is another beautiful color. And coming to the pallu, this is how the pallu is. And let me show you the blouse now. So meeku pink color lo blouse ochindi with a border on it. And coming to the price, this is 9,500. So let me show you the next one. So this is in grey color. So you can see the beautiful shine on the saree here. And we have golden zari work all over the saree, floral motifs lo ochindi. And ikkada contrast red color border ochindi. So this is the hand work again. You have a dark, this is the orange color border with a red color edge on it. You also have a golden work. And this is how the pallu is. And blouse వచ్చేసి red color contrast blouse వచ్చింది with a beautiful border. And coming to the price, I just missed the price.
Request. On request.
So the price for the saree is on request. Let me show you the next one. So this is a beautiful light green color saree here. And you have a golden zari work all over the saree, floral motifs lo ochindi. And look at the border, this is the handmade border. You have thin border which is handmade here. And this is the pallu part. You have those beautiful golden tassels on it. మీకు బ్లౌజ్ వచ్చేసి ఇలా వచ్చింది సేమ్ కలర్లో అండ్ విత్ అ బార్డర్ ఆన్ ఇట్. హ్యాండ్ వర్క్ బార్డర్ వచ్చింది. అండ్ ద ప్రైస్ ఫర్ దిస్ సారీ ఇస్ 9500. సో మీకు ఏది నచ్చుతుందో క్విక్లీ టేక్ అ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ అండ్ సెండ్ ఇట్ టు us on this WhatsApp number mentioned here. And our sales team will assist you further for processing your orders. And for online payment, we have mentioned the Google Pay number here. So please take a screenshot of this. So let me show you some more beautiful Georgette Banarsi sarees with beautiful color combinations. So this is in yellow color. And again here, you have pale yellow color, dark yellow color, orange color, so different shades lo ochindi but in yellows. And you also have the silver zari work, and you have a self border which is made of silver zari work, and meeku edge lo vachesi malli yellow color edge ochindi. And this is how the pallu. And coming to the blouse, this is how the blouse is. And the price for this one is 8999. So let me show you the similar kind of saree in a different shade now. So idu vachesi manki peach color, light peach, dark peach, orange color shade lo ochindi chudandi. Similar pattern saree but different shade.
Peach color and yellow blouse.
And you have a self border. Ikkada orange color edge ochindi annamata with beautiful silver zari work on it. And this is how the pallu is. And this is how the blouse is. Light peach color lo ochindi. And the price for this one is 8999. So similar color saree, similar shaded saree in a different color. So it manaki grey color lo ochindi chudandi. So we have grey, dark grey and ash color shades lo stripe designs ochindi. Silver zari work kuda ochindi. And you have a beautiful self border with a grey edge. So చూస్తున్నారు కదా ఎంత బాగుందో. So this is how the pallu is. And coming to the blouse, this is how the blouse is. And the price for this one is 8999. So next saree చూద్దాం. So this is the light peach color. You can see the beautiful golden silver zari work here. Beautiful floral motifs lo silver zari work ochindi. And you have a self border with silver zari work on it. And this is how the pallu is. And coming to the blouse, this is how the blouse is with a small border on it. And the price for this saree is 7999. So let me show you the next one. So this is again in another light peach color. And ikkada chudandi we have golden zari work, silver zari work. Alternate sarees have been used here. Big leaf motifs on it. And you have a self border with pure golden zari work on it. Floral motifs to ochindi. And this is how the pallu is. You have these beautiful tassels on the pallu. And this is the blouse. Beautiful leaf motifs ochindi chudandi, golden zari work. Small leaf motifs. And coming to the price, this is 6500. So quickly take a screenshot of your favorite saree before anybody else grabs your favorite saree, and do send it to us on this WhatsApp number mentioned here. So these are the numbers you need to contact us for making the placing the orders, and we will assist you further for processing, and we have mentioned the Google Pay number for online orders. So let me show you the next sari.
कलंकारी नहीं कुछ पटोला पटोला
So this is another Georgette Banasi Patola design. So you can see the beautiful work on the sari here. Beautiful designs, so colorful on the black color sari. And you have a contrast border. And border low, you also have got the black color edge on it. And this is how the pallu is. So this is a Patola design sari, and this is how the blouse is, with a small border on it. And the price for this one is 8,999. So I'm going to show you another sari in similar Patola design. So this is in beautiful red color. You have these beautiful orange, green. So these designs are beautifully popping out, and you have a contrast violet color border for this. And you also have a red color edge on it. And this is how the pallu is. And this is how the blouse is. Violet color lo vachindi. You also have a small border with orange color edge. And the price for this saree is 8,999. So let me show you the next one. So this is in violet color design, Patola design again. You have this beautiful work on the saree, and you have a pink color border with chocolate color edge on it. And this is how the pallu is. Coming to the blouse, you have this pink color blouse with a border on it, and the price for this saree is 8,999. I'm going to show you the next and the last saree from Georgette Banasi collection. So this is Patola design. You see the beautiful colors are just popping out. And you have a blue color border. Manaki ikkada silver zari work ochindi. Mango motifs, floral motifs on it, on the border. And coming to the blouse, pallu. This is how the pallu is. And you have a different blue color blouse with this bluish shade lo ochindi, and you have a small border on it. And the price for this one is 8,999. So, meeku ఏ saree నచ్చిందో, please take a screenshot of the saree and WhatsApp us on this WhatsApp number mentioned here. Our sales team will assist you for processing your orders, and we have mentioned the Google Pay number as well for making the payment online. So this is all we have right now from pure Georgette Banasi sarees and Patola design sarees. We'll soon get back to you with some beautiful and exclusive collection from Mugdha. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.